So how do you change text on the iPad? Let's explain that and let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe because I have so many tutorials which are going to help you out. Anyways, there are more things you might mean by changing the text, because if you go to the settings and find display and brightness, we have a text size slider or a setting, right, which lets you bump up the font size across the entire iPad, right? So no matter if you're using like the settings app or literally anything else, the text might be larger. Another thing you can set up is making the text bolder, which is right below. It's just one toggle, and you can make the whole text or font thicker by applying these changes. But also at the bottom, you can see we have the display zoom, and there are two options right now. So it's the default or more space, but the whole point is that this can also like slightly change the text by zooming everything out or using the default version, which is a bit more zoomed in. So again, there you can change some of the things and settings, right? Okay, so when it comes to like other options in here, like the text might be also used in like plenty of different apps, for example in the notes or pages or whatever. In that case, it depends on the software, but usually those like editing softwares have the ability to adjust the text, right? So you can in those situations change the font, right? You can change the size, like align it differently and whatnot, right? But this is specific to some applications, right? Like text editors or presentation tools and all of that kind of apps. So let me know in case you have some additional questions regarding this. Most definitely subscribe so you stay in touch with all of the latest things about iPads and iPhones. But stay tuned and I'll see you later in those videos.